Hey guys, I'm back. Today's going to be an AliExpress haul. This is my first time buying from AliExpress. And the stuff came out pretty good, I'd say. So let's just get into it. Okay, first I bought this sweater top. Let me show you the full thing. I love this top. I wore it in my last video if you noticed. It's super comfortable, super cute. Y2K. And yeah. Okay, next we have this top. I love it. It's pretty aesthetic. I'm not gonna wear it now because it's like super cold outside these days, but I'm definitely gonna wear it in the summer. I love this top. And yeah. Okay, next we have this plaid top. Here it is. This is honestly one of my favorites. It's super comfortable too, but it's pretty cold outside to wear this top, so I'll wear this in the summer as well. But yeah, I love this top. It's pretty simple, casual, and yeah. Okay, I also got this locket from AliExpress. Here's it open. I'm gonna put a picture inside of it because I know you're supposed to put a picture. But yeah, here's how it looks. Super cute. I love it. And yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I still have one more order that's like coming today, I think. I didn't really buy like that much stuff. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I'm definitely gonna buy from here again because the clothes were pretty good. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're new and keep up for more.